Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Juliana. Today's video is going to be kind of a tutorial style video on my daily makeup routine. And I do this makeup look, I'd say most days out of the week. Sometimes I experiment with more or less, but because of that, I've really got this down to a science. I normally do my makeup in the morning, and obviously since I'll be talking through it in this video, it's going to be taking a little longer, but I'd say every morning it takes me between 10 to 12 minutes, but never any longer. Before we start, I really want to tell you guys a little bit about my jewelry because I'm currently obsessed. This heart necklace is from the brand Uncommon James. Actually, both these necklaces. It was part of their end of season sale. I think that might be over right now, but they do tend to run promotions like that. I guess I just wanted to rave about it because the necklaces are such good quality, and to me, I've never seen this kind of heart necklace before, so I've been wearing it every day. And my earrings are, again, kind of like the same that I wear every day. They're just from H&M. I've had them for quite a while and they haven't tarnished at all, which I'm super surprised, especially for H&M jewelry. But yeah, they're just these really cute chunky hoops. Anyways, that was a bit of a side tangent, but without further ado, let's get into the makeup. If you get anything out of this video, it's to wear sunscreen every day. I would actually not recommend this one. It's the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. It's honestly pretty greasy and it leaves a white cast on my face if I don't rub it in fully, but I have the philosophy that if I buy it, I'm gonna use it, so I'm actually almost done with it. I'll put a few recommendations on my LTK for ones that I do recommend, and in general for everything that I use in this video, I'll link it in my LTK. Also get the neck. For foundation, I've been using this foundation from Physicians Formula as the Healthy Foundation. This was actually $3 at TJ Maxx and in my shade, like, can you believe it? I'm gonna be using the viewfinder as my mirror today, so you might see me looking this way. But it just gives a very natural appearance to the skin. I always mix it with this liquid highlighter from Perricone. It's called their No Makeup Highlighter. And this is super amazing. It has no sparkle, so it just gives you a very lit from within look. So I'll just dot it some on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow. Okay, the real star of my face makeup is this concealer. It's by Kosas. I think it's called their Revealer Concealer. It's so lightweight yet high coverage. It also doesn't crease and it stays super well. So yeah, for this, every time I run out, I basically just buy another. I've stopped experimenting and I just use this. And I'm a big proponent of lighter foundation and then going back in with your concealer, like wherever still needs more coverage. And I found that way you tend to use a lot less makeup in general and your makeup looks less cakey. Before I set with powder, I'm gonna use some cream blush. This one's for Bobbi Brown and it's their Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks in the shade Pink Flame. And I just use my fingers for this. And I always apply all of my creams before setting with powder, because I found that if you try and put creams over powder, then it moves everything around underneath. But speaking of which, now onto powder. This one's from CoverGirl. This is part of their clean makeup line, and honestly it's pretty average, and there's only like 3 shades available, so I don't know if I'd recommend it. But I have been experimenting more with like cleaner makeup products, which by the way, Kosas I know is a clean makeup brand all around, which is really great. And I make sure to tap it in so it absorbs better into the skin. And I don't want to negate all of the effects from the Perricone highlighter, so I mostly just put on my T-zone. For eyes, I always do some variation of a brown smoky eye. Today I'm going to use this quad by LA Girl because it's actually super amazing and I would recommend it. It's been in the drugstore for a while, but it's only like $5 and the eyeshadows are super buttery and pigmented. So I'll just take this like warmer orangey brown shade. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit, hopefully that helps. And then I'm going to take this darker brown shade and just put it in my crease. Or I guess since I have double eyelids, what would be the equivalent of my crease? So just like that. It's honestly nothing really crazy. To give things a little bit of dimension, I normally add some glitter on my lids. This video is kind of bad timing because I just ran out of the eyeshadow glitter that I always use. It's from e.l.f. and I'll put a picture right here and I'll link it in my LTK, but it's so good if you want a glitter eyeliner that doesn't flake off and that isn't super chunky. It's so pretty. But today I have this glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay, and honestly I don't really use it as a liner, I just put it on the center of my eyelid. I do my eyeliner before my mascara, but I always curl my eyelashes first, and I've tried to do my eyeliner before curling my eyelashes. Maybe I'm just impatient, but I'll curl my eyelashes, and because the liner's still drying, it'll smudge everywhere, so I've just learned to do my eyelash curler first. This is the eyeliner that I always use. It's the NYX Epic Ink Liner. It has such good staying power, and I feel like this pen format is easiest to apply. And I basically just do a medium-sized wing. If I want a slightly more natural look, I'll just do a little flick at the end. I always start in the middle. I used to stress a lot if they weren't perfectly aligned, but honestly it's good enough. I don't do this every day, but today I'll do it. I'll tightline my upper waterline, and I'm also using the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner, but this time it's a pencil. I swear, I just feel like NYX has the best eyeliners. I'm not sure if you can see the difference on camera, but this part, like between the lashes and my actual eyeball, is black now, where this one is still skin colored. Let me know if you want a video on eyeliner, not just liquid liner, but I guess eyeliner in general, and maybe finding a wing shape that suits your eye shape. My favorite mascara of all time is this one, is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I get the normal one, not the waterproof one, but it does not smudge at all, and it keeps the curl. I have someone who has very downturned eyelashes, so this is an absolute game changer for me. Hopefully you can see the difference, but it's really good at separating the eyelashes as well. And yeah, it lifts super well. I love this mascara. Alright, mascara is on. I don't tend to put mascara on my bottom lashes, but I will put some eyeshadow, otherwise it looks a bit empty. I'll just take this medium brown shade, and I'll just go as close to the lash line that I can. For eyebrows, I really don't do anything very interesting. I honestly just take this same brown eyeshadow and just fill in my brows, and I really don't do anything special. I just follow my natural eyebrow shape. Adding some bronzer. For lips, I've been obsessed with this lip combo, and this is kind of a hack if you have a liquid lipstick that's too dark. This one is by the brand Grwm, I think it's Gwen Stefani, and the shade is Cowgirl. And what I'll do is I put it in the center of my lips. Then I take a lip gloss of a similar shade. This one's a little lighter. By the way, these lip glosses, the Lifter glosses by Maybelline, so good. The best drugstore lip glosses I think on the market right now. The one that I have is in the shade Silk, and then I use it to spread around the liquid lipstick and fill in the rest of the lips. And this way the edges of my lips don't look as harsh as if I were just to use the liquid lipstick. But at the same time, my lipstick really lasts because of the liquid lipstick. If I just use the gloss, it doesn't last nearly as long. I mean, this thing stays looking just like this for a good 8 to 10 hours. I mean, it's also because I'm not kissing anyone recently, and also I protect my lipstick when I eat. I eat like a Kardashian with their salads. Let me get my hair together. Like I mentioned, guys, all of the products that I used today that I can still link will be linked in my LTK. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, where I love to post a lot of beauty as well as clothing and fashion content as well as outfit inspo. As always, please comment down below what you'd like to see from me next. I know a lot of you guys did ask about my makeup routine, so hopefully you got some tips from this video and maybe some makeup inspo as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!